How to buy from Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can buy from Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to buy from Poshmark, all you have to do is just go to poshmark.com, or you can even download the application. Once you've done either of those and then you want to order a product and you want to buy something from Poshmark, it's very simple. Just search for a product or go to that specific product page, and once you go to that specific product page, you're going to be taken to the product page over here, where you'll be able to see all of the details of that product. You can just select the size, color, whatever else you prefer, the quantity, and then just select the option called buy now. Now you can buy with PayPal, or you can even make a counter offer to the seller in order to go ahead and then check out those. Now over here you can see all the net charges, the shipping methods, and so on. Just select the shipping method of your choice, hit the next option, select your payment method. You can pay with PayPal or Google Pay and other payment methods applications available, and then just hit the review button in order to successfully buy from Poshmark. So that is it for today's video on how you can buy from Poshmark. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.